Hey, what's up, everybody? Well, today we're gonna do a big brake kit. It's actually he used stock components from a mazdaspeed, Mazda 6. They're big rotors and a big caliper, and they are really just a complete bolt-on. Here's before, and before I take the wheel off, and then we'll go from there. Let me pause this here and get this done. All right, back to this. Got the wheel off. Basically, all you're gonna have to do is take the caliper off. You can actually leave it bolted to the bracket here and just take the bracket off. It's like a 17 millimeter. So you have two nuts. This comes off, and while I'm putting braided lines on there, so I'm going to disconnect this here. Disconnect this. Take the little doohickey out, and then if you're gonna reuse your brake hose, you can just take it off the caliper and put it on the other caliper. Not a big deal. And then you just slip your rotor off, slap the other stuff on, and you're good to go. All right, let me show you here after I get it on, and you'll see the before and after. See the size now compared to my hand, and you see the next. And I found out I have a broken ABS sensor wire. There she is. That's all right, I'll get another one. Didn't know it's broke, but oh well, that's okay. Hey, can you see my shiny exhaust in there? All right, let's get back to it. Well, I didn't film this, but anyways, back to getting this line apart. It's been on there probably since the car was made, from late 1994. So I had to use some torch and some major persuasion and get this line apart. Anyways, cut back to it, have a new line on there, and see you then. Well, a few minutes later, you get a big brake hit. That's just surface rust. That'll be gone in like 2 seconds after you hit the brakes. Not a big deal. They've been sitting around a little bit since I bought them. I did buy them for the first gen, but I mean for the 89 GT, but you have to run 17-inch wheels, so that wasn't gonna work out. So you got the braided line. We sell them on our website. Easy replacement. And yeah, that's it. You got giant rotors. Yep, mazdaspeed, Mazda 6. The first year they came out. First couple years. Yep, pretty simple. You can get them used or new. You know, I bought these from a mazdaspeed, Mazda 6 group on Facebook. Guy was selling the parts local, parting out, and I was like, what do you want for these? So I made a deal, and good to go. Then I just need to have my son come and help me bleed these out, and we'll put some new .5 fluid in their car, and we'll be good to go. And I need to put some, maybe put some brake pads on the back. Actually, you maybe saw in my past video, I mentioned I thought I needed a front pad. I didn't need a pad. What it was is the rotor shield was catching the rotor at the bottom. I really didn't need a pad. But I guess it got bent, past owner, or tow truck, or something. Anyways, yeah, let me put the wheel on here and I'll show you the after. Well, we put a few miles on them. Here's how they're looking. Not too bad. This is the passenger side. Right side. See, some. You have to have a 17-inch wheel for the spacing of the caliper. But, you know, hey, that's an easy upgrade. And not too bad. Well, catch you in the next video. See ya. Bye. Thanks for watching.